Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to view batch on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on the search option and search for the batch. Okay, so I just search for the batch. So batch, here it is. Just move on it. When you move on it, here is the batch. Okay, click here. It says number or dot, number dot, do not show. So you can select like that. If you want to set the batch number, it says show a number when there are unread messages, and it says support both number and dot batch. It says show a dot when there are unread notifications. So which one you prefer, you can. Okay, if you don't want to show it, you can do not show. Just click on this icon, you will be able to select from here. There is four option you can select from here, which is beneficial for you, a benefit for you, and which numbers you like, the first or second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, or fifth. I mean first, second, third, fourth. Which one you love? You just give me a comment box that you like the messages should be super or number or dot, and number dot do not show. You can give me these points. Okay, so friends, it says de cancel. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.